Shiba Inu burn rate skyrocket over 38 million%. Plus a massive update news coming out very soon. This is some very bullish news for Shiba Inu. Stay tuned and you're not going to want to miss out. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about none other than the fan favorite Shiba Inu currency. Before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. And remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Today we're talking about Shiba Inu because there's a bunch of bullish news that I want to showcase today. Overall crypto market starting to get bullish again. We can see Bitcoin was doing pretty well, pulled back slightly, but now looks like it's back in the green, back in the right direction. Fear and greed index at 52 neutral, not too shabby, and some exciting things ahead for our fan favorite Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin up nearly 2% on the 24 hours, down 1% on the week, which is not bad, which actually makes for an optimal time to load up, especially as some bullish news around the corner and Bitcoin pumping. And we might see Shiba Inu pump to some crazy numbers, so stay tuned for that. Before we do that, guys, I want to showcase a pre-sale gem that's going absolutely crazy and just reached a massive milestone of raising over $6 million. This coin is currently on pre-sale. It's called Play Doge. Play Doge is the best Doge companion game. It's an ultimate mobile play-to-earn experience that brings the game of an iconic Dogecoin meme to the Tamagotchi-style virtual pet. Secure your play tokens in pre-sale to earn while you're playing a nostalgic 2D adventure. So took the Dogecoin meme, took Tamagotchi, put it together, and you get an amazing crypto play-to-earn game that's going crazy. $6 million raise is not a small amount, especially in these markets have been so uncertain. So if you want to load up, now's your time to load up. Link in the description below. In 5 hours, having a price hike. So if you want to buy at the lowest price, now's your time to buy. Link in the description below. But back to Shiba Inu. Going to take a look at the technical analysis, guys. We're seeing some bullish technicals, or bearish technicals, I should say, as moving averages are in strong sell. Offsets are in buy, but it's giving us a total summary of sell, which is not too bad. But Shiba Inu news is going crazy. We can see these 5 meme coins, crypto tokens, crash. These 5 meme coins crash as crypto traders are shaken with Bitcoin dropping below 60k. However, Shiba Inu on recovery. Shiba Inu rips charts apart as bulls lock in. Shiba Inu burns skyrocket by 38 million%. Price impact reveal. We can see that's some pretty bullish headlines. We can see Shiba Inu has seen a surge in burn rate reaching 38 million% according to the Shib X account, where tokens burned in the past 24 hours representing 38 million% burn rate. The price of Shiba Inu increased in the last 24 hours, reaching an erratically high of this price in Sunday's trading session. However, the rise was short-lived as Shiba Inu prices retracted as cryptocurrency market experienced some profit taking. At the time writing, Shib is down 0.384% in the past 24 hours, and that's some pretty bullish news as the burn rates are going up, guys. It's just going to make the price of Shiba Inu more and more scarce, and that is very bullish. And going over to Twitter, guys, some exciting things going on. Big things coming to K9 Finance. They're gearing up for a major announcement at the Futurist Con. Get ready. This is going to be one of the largest conferences going on in Toronto this summer. It's absolutely bullish on August 13th and 14th, which is basically going to be happening later today and tomorrow as well. So that's pretty bullish. Wolf Shiba Inu army, some Game of Thrones style picture, which is pretty cool. We see sneak peek alert. Meet us at the Futurist Con. Get ready, treat yourself well. Excited to meet some members of the Shib army tomorrow. That's pretty bullish, and they're celebrating the 4th birthday a couple days ago. Overall, very bullish news for Shiba Inu, guys. 1, the burn rate skyrocketing, and 2, Shiba Inu being at this massive crypto event that's in person in Toronto, where they're going to reveal some massive bullish news for K9 Finance, which is a big part of Shiba Inu's ecosystem. Remember, Shiba Inu is far more than a meme coin it once been. It is an entire ecosystem now between Shib, Leash, Bone, their whole Shibarium, the NFTs, they got it all. It's going to a massive project. So if you haven't loaded up already, now's your chance to load up before it pumps, because I'm anticipating Shiba Inu to do some crazy things coming up very soon. Even the chart looking pretty bullish. We go to the 1 month, right? And yes, it's down, it's red, but this gives us a great buying opportunity, as when the price reverses, we're going to see and lock in some serious gains. Even this year alone, it raised some massive momentum, reaching up to some crazy highs, crazy 24-hour volumes, which is insane. And again, not to mention its previous all-time high ever. I'm very bullish on Shiba Inu, guys, and I know you guys are too. But like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any of the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let me know how you feel about Shib in the comment section below. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.